In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Monday.com for a construction schedule effectively. If you're ready to streamline your construction management process, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and efficiently. First, let's kick things off by choosing or creating your construction template in Monday.com. Start by heading over to the Templates section and searching for Construction or Construction Management. Selecting a pre-designed template like the construction timeline or project planning is a great way to hit the ground running. But if you prefer a more customized approach, you can always start from a blank board and build your own. Consider organizing your board into typical construction phases such as planning and design, permits and approvals, and so on. Remember, these phases are the backbone of your project, ensuring everyone is on the same page from start to finish. Next, to minimize manual work and keep tasks on track, utilize Monday.com's automation features. For example, you can set up automations to move a completed task to a done group or notify team members when a task start date arrives or if there's a delay. These automations are your silent assistants, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks and your team is always informed. Then let's dive into making the most of Monday.com's views, like Timeline, Gantt, or Calendar. These visual tools are essential for tracking your project's progress. To enhance their functionality, use task dependencies to adjust timelines dynamically when changes occur. This adaptability is crucial for managing a construction schedule where delays and changes are inevitable. Managing your budget and resources is a critical aspect of any project. In Monday.com, use formula columns to calculate costs versus the budget and track remaining funds. Integrate other accounting tools or manually import cost data to keep everything up to date. Utilize dashboards to get a clear visual of budget consumption and potential overruns, keeping your financials transparent and manageable. Now for subcontractor and inventory management, create separate boards to track vendors and material orders. Linking these boards to your project tasks will provide a seamless integration between different aspects of your project, ensuring that material needs are promptly communicated and addressed. Let's not forget the importance of collaboration and communication. Use the update section in each task to communicate with your team, sharing critical information like site pictures and updates. By enabling mobile access, on-site team members can update task statuses, upload photos, and add necessary notes in real time, keeping everyone informed and connected. Finally, leverage dashboards for reporting and insights. They aggregate data across your project boards, providing a snapshot of task delays, cost overruns, and overall project health. Using widgets and filters, you can easily track what's happening in your project and make informed decisions. By following these steps, you're setting up Monday.com to not only manage your construction schedule, but to optimize it. Remember, a well-organized project is a successful one, and that journey starts with the tools you use and how you set them up. Happy building!